ढोल नगाड़ों के साथ हुआ रांझना ट्रेलर का लॉन्च और लगता है बॉलीवुड में फिल्म की थीम के अकॉर्डिंग ही आजकल हो रहे हैं प्रमोशंस। तभी तो इस फिल्म की थीम को मद्देनजर रखते हुए इस इवेंट पर बैंड और बाजे का माहौल सेट किया हुआ था और इस इवेंट पर सोनम कपूर ने मारी एंट्री विद हर एक्टर धनुष। धनुष जो इस फिल्म में काफी दबंग अंदाज में नजर आ रहे हैं, वहीं इस इवेंट पर काफी शाय थे एंड आफ्टर इंसिस्टिंग अ लॉट ही डिड सम स्टेप्स एट द इवेंट। वही बात करें सोनम की तो as usual she was looking like a diva in her traditional attire, but it seems like Sonam has put on a bit than before. बात करें इस इवेंट की तो धनुष ने बताया कैसे it was difficult to make a debut in a Bollywood film.
Hello everybody. I don't think I actually got it yet. I've tried my best. It was tough, of course. There are a lot of sounds that's not there in Tamil. So I found it tough. I'm still finding it tough. Hopefully I'll live up to Anand sir's expectation and of course all of yours too.
वहीं सोनम कपूर से पूछा गया सवाल that why she chooses such simple roles in films and to this she answered.
मैं पर्पसली ऐसे रोल्स चूज नहीं करती हूँ जो मैं अपने रियल लाइफ में हूँ, वो तो मैं फिल्म्स में नहीं हो सकती हूँ. सो I think after a while I've done something like this, but it's quite nice not to take more than 15-20 minutes to get ready in the morning after a shower. So I think because of that, because कम टाइम लगता है कपड़े रेडी होने में, इसलिए मैं करती हूँ.
It seems कि सोनम को दूसरी एक्टर्स जैसे ज्यादा मेकअप या ग्लैमरस लुक डॉन करना पसंद नहीं है. वहीं सोनम से जब पूछा गया कि क्या उनका फर्स्ट लव सक्सेसफुल रहा, तो इस सवाल पर सुनिए क्या है सोनम का कहना.
Every time I fall in love, it's like the first time.
That was quite a smart answer, Sonam. वहीं सोनम ने ये भी बता दिया that her love life has not been so successful yet.
अब तक success story नहीं हुई, but I'm still hopeful कि the next time I fall in love, it'll be like the first time it will succeed.
Also, Sonam shared the school experience she encountered and the way she was taught in her school days.
When I was in school, if I was followed by boys. Apparently I was, but I don't remember. I mean, I didn't realize it though when I was younger, because I grew up with 6 brothers. So they're all like, you know how Arjun looks and you know his height and all, and then there's Mohit, and there are like, I have like some 4-5 brothers who used to like surround me all the time, and they were all my age, so I never realized it. I was very protected, but apparently I was. And I remember during Valentine's Day, and we had something called Rose Day as well. My desk used to be filled with those things, and you know, like all of that, but I never realized it, especially when I was in school.
Not just that, Sonam also revealed कि उनके लिए किस हद तक एक लड़के ने अपना प्यार जताया.
Someone wrote me a letter in blood in school, which really freaked me out. Nobody ever do that. Somebody is like written a 3-page letter in blood, which I'm sure they saw some Hindi film and they've copied. So I was like, this is not an original thought, first of all. And second of all, this is really weird and freaky. But yeah, that's the only one time that I've been proposed very weirdly.
तो इस तरह से सोनम ने ये सब बातें कहकर रांझना इवेंट पर बज़ तो क्रिएट कर ही दिया. We just hope कि the film also creates the same buzz like your talks. For Ilika Shrivastava, Zoom, Mumbai.